In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from video in Canva. Let's get started right inside Canva. First, open the design where you want to work, such as your presentation or video project. Once your design is open in the editor, we'll bring in the video that you want to extract the audio from. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the tab labeled Uploads and click on it. This opens the Uploads panel where you can add media from your computer. Click the Upload Files button. Your computer's file browser will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Now, locate the video file whose audio you want to extract. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct clip, especially if you have multiple similar files. Once you've found it, click on the file, then hit Enter on your keyboard or click Open. Canva will now start uploading your video. The upload time will depend on your internet connection and the size of the file. So don't worry if it takes a little while. You'll see a progress indicator in the Uploads panel. When the upload is complete, the video thumbnail will appear there, ready to use. Next, click on the video thumbnail in the Uploads panel. Canva will automatically place that video onto your canvas, usually at the center of your current page or slide. You can resize or reposition it if you like, but for extracting the audio, the important thing is that the video is on the canvas. Now comes the key step. On the canvas, right-click directly on the video. A context menu will appear with several options. From that list, select Extract Audio. After you click this, Canva will separate the audio track from your video. You'll now see a new audio track appear in the timeline at the bottom of the editor, on the slide where the video is placed. This is the extracted audio from your video. You can click on this audio track to select it. When it's selected, a dedicated toolbar appears along the top of the editor. From here, you can trim, adjust, or otherwise edit the audio separately from the video. This gives you much more flexibility, especially if you want to reuse the audio in different designs, adjust timing, or layer it with other sounds. And that's it. You've successfully extracted audio from a video in Canva.